Connecting your Google Home Mini to your TV involves several key components and setup steps. We'll walk through the essential requirements and connection methods. The core component for connecting your Google Home Mini to your TV is Chromecast. This small device plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port and enables streaming and smart home integration. Both your Google Home Mini and TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network and linked to the same Google account. This ensures seamless communication between devices. The Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet is essential for managing the connection. This app allows you to set up devices, create automations, and control your smart home ecosystem. Modern Google TVs are becoming smart home hubs themselves. With Google TV integration, your television can act as a central control point for your entire smart home ecosystem. You can also connect your smart TV to Google Home Mini via Bluetooth for audio streaming. However, be aware that some TVs may restrict Bluetooth audio connectivity, so check your TV's specifications. Finally, TVs with HDMI control, also known as CEC, allow your Google Home Mini to turn the TV on and off using voice commands. This creates a truly hands-free entertainment experience. These are the fundamental methods for connecting your Google Home Mini to your TV. Each approach offers different benefits depending on your specific setup and TV capabilities. Now that your Google Home Mini is connected to your TV, you can unlock powerful voice control and smart home integration features. Google Assistant enables comprehensive voice control of your TV and entertainment system. You can play music, videos, and control playback using simple voice commands. Beyond TV control, your Google Home Mini becomes a central hub for managing all your smart home devices directly from your couch. Control lights, thermostats, security cameras, and more with voice commands. Google is revolutionizing smart home control with AI-powered automation. At CES 2025, they showcased advanced features where a single voice command like Start Movie Night can trigger multiple actions: dimming lights, adjusting temperature, and starting your entertainment system. Google's Home APIs now give developers access to over 600 million smart devices, enabling sophisticated integrations that work seamlessly with Google Home. This creates endless possibilities for custom smart home solutions. The future of smart home control centers around your TV becoming the primary hub for all connected devices. Google TV Streamer already includes a dedicated home panel, and upcoming features will provide proactive assistance and multimodal interaction for seamless smart home management. Voice control and smart home integration transform your Google Home Mini from a simple speaker into a powerful command center. With AI-powered automations and comprehensive device control, you can manage your entire smart home ecosystem effortlessly from your couch.